Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to start all over again because I just got into my Instagram account so I can at least tell people, give them the same information at the same time. So what's good, people? How are you doing? Okay, so what's good, my people? I hope you guys are keeping safe. You all are keeping very, very safe. We are praying that God is going to help us and bless us and help us in Nigeria by the grace of God. Okay, so I have come live for a different reason entirely, for something very, very serious. A particular call came into my phone and somebody called me, and the person called me to inform me that one of my impersonators on Facebook had announced to my fans that I'll be having an audition. I'll be having an audition in Abeokuta next month, and he's telling them that they should all pay an amount of money. So I've come out to tell you all that I can't do that. I'm not involved in that. I don't know anything about that. Please, you guys should please keep safe. And if you get to know this, if your friends or any other people you know might be following me, it might not be online now, you can please help me give them this information. You should be careful of most of these impersonators on Facebook. They are just too much. I don't know why somebody will want to use my picture and you want to pretend like I'm the one talking. It's so annoying. Like, it's so annoying. You want to pretend like I'm the one talking just to do people to spoil my name. It should not be. It should not. But that's I don't know. Some of these acts of theirs can even frustrate you, and you want to stop doing what you do, because the only thing that we do, I know that they are leveraged. They are taking the advantage of the fact that I do videos. We do comedy. We do videos that appeal to people. So the next thing they want to do is to put the video out there, and they just put their own caption under it. It's frustrating and it's disturbing me. That's why I've come out to please appeal to all my people that you should please, if you're on Facebook, don't follow. If you see any information telling you that you should do something and pay for me, wòlé àgbà ò lè bẹ́ẹ̀ sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ mi ò ní kó fowó lẹ̀ pé kó fowó kan lẹ̀ owó tó bá fi lẹ̀ wá. I can't do that. I don't do it. Please just be careful. We move, fellow crowd, we move. That's what we want to do. We want to move. But some people will just be there, like, I don't know. They will just frustrate you, want to frustrate your effort. I don't know. But okay, for crying out loud, why would somebody feel, okay, if I don't want to bring out an authentic information, how do you want people to believe that? Can't you bear your name? Ẹjọ́ Lásìsì ni mò ń jẹ́ kọ́ àbí Rótìmí ni mò ń jẹ́ kọ́ Rótìmí ẹ̀ síbẹ̀ Mùtíù mò ń jẹ́ kọ́ Mùtíù síbẹ̀ náà ó wá sọ pé wọ́n ló ń jẹ́ ayọ̀ ajé wọlé wò ní ajá. Ibi náà ti ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. Who are you? What's your colour? Who born you? Who you born? From where to where? What's your nomenclature? What's occupational symbolism? What is occupational symbolism? Ìyà tó jẹ mí ló jẹ ẹ́ ni. Ìyàwó aṣọ̀tọ̀tọ̀ jọ ó ṣọ̀tọ̀tọ̀ jẹ́ kí ìyà tó fẹ́ jẹ́ ó jẹ́ lẹ́rọ̀ kó o bá lè rògbòlò. Ó jẹ́ kí ìyà jẹ́ ẹni tó yẹ pé ìyà ti jẹ́ tó ti gbá orí ẹ̀ tí ó mọ bí a ṣe gbá mi tó ni. Mo mọ̀ kọ̀ọ̀rọ̀ bí mo ṣe wà yìí, ó mọ̀ kọ̀ọ̀rọ̀ tó mo rìn ní Ìbàdàn ni. Mo rìn kọ̀ọ̀rọ̀ ju kí ló dálẹ̀ lọ nínú Ìbàdàn yìí. Ìyà jẹ mí náà. Ó wà fẹ́ jìyà, ó wá scam àwọn èèyàn lórúkọ èmi tí ìyà ti jẹ kọjá, ìyà ti jẹ mí kọjá. Ó fẹ́ kí padà sẹ́nu ìyà padà ni, àbí kò dààmú ẹ̀ ni. Kílẹ̀ tó fi ń lórúkọ mi, ó lè lórúkọ tiẹ̀ ni, ó lè torúkọ ẹ̀ ni. Gbẹ̀tọ́ ìjọ tó bí ẹ tó sọ pé àpọ̀pẹ́ fọlọ́run orúkọ mi a máa jẹ́ orúkọ wo náà pè ẹ́. Kí ló sọ orúkọ ẹ tó ń torúkọ ẹ? Kílẹ̀ tó ń torúkọ mi? Who are you? Iná Olúwa máa rọ̀ lé ẹ lórí. Ọlọ́run ìpè mi ó máa rọ̀dún náà lé ẹ lórí. Ìyà tó jẹ mí ló jẹ ẹ ni. Gbogbo máa jórúkọ mi torí kíni? Who are you? What is your occupational symbolism? Ó wá fi mí parọ́ fáwọn èèyàn. Ṣé mi èmi am I you? Are you me? Are you? Are you not you? Am I me? Ṣé kò yàtọ̀ síra wọn? I'm me, you are you. Be you. Remove you, be you now. Correct our journey community on Facebook torí kíni? Who are you? Why are you impersonating my identity? Why are you impersonating me? This is me in real life. It's not a joking stuff. Who are you? Don't go ahead now. Bear your name. I bear my name. Are you you? You are you. I mean me. I mean you. Are you me? Are you me? Are you you? Are you? What's that? I don't know you. I don't want to know you. I don't know you. I don't care about you. Jẹ́ orúkọ tí bàbá àti ìyá ẹ̀ sọ lórí Facebook lẹ́nìí àbí kí iná rọ̀jò lé ẹ lórí. All of you impersonating me on Facebook. Your time is up. Your time is up. It's getting out of hand. Àmọ́ àpẹẹrẹ báwọn èèyàn pé mo ní kọ́ àgbà fọ́ọ̀mù kìíní ṣé fọ́ọ̀mù akọrin ṣé fọ́ọ̀mù àwọn akọrin. Ó jẹ́ tó ń parọ́ burúkú. Ó jẹ́ tó ń tẹ́. Ó jẹ́ ń fi ayọ̀ tẹ́ lórúkọ olórúkọ. Ó jẹ́ ń fayọ̀ tẹ́. Ọlọ́bí máa kó bárun ẹ̀ dànù. Máa kó bárun ẹ̀. You put your generation into problem. I'm telling you, what's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Kí ló ń ṣe é tí ó ṣe nìkan rí? Kí ló ń ju ẹ tó fi jólẹ̀? Ìyá ti jẹ mí náà. Jẹ́ kí ìyá jẹ́ wọ̀ náà. Ìyá tó bá fẹ́ jẹ́ ó jẹ́ ẹlẹ́rọ̀. Má sàsábẹ́ alábẹ́. Kí ló dé tó fi sàsábẹ́ alábẹ́? Torí kí ni? Abẹ́ mi tó ń sá sínú ọ̀jẹ́ wọn nígbà mi ò jẹ̀yà ni. Ó bá mi kiri ni. Mo kiri nínà. Ṣé ó bá mi kiri ni? Ṣé ó kiri? Èmi kiri. Tó ẹ pé yẹ kó kiri lọ gbé tírè kí wọn náà kiri. Jẹ́ kí ìyá jẹ́. Tí ìyá bá jẹ́ ògùn ẹ máa fọhùn. Wọ́n lọ ń jẹ́ orúkọ mi. Ò ń jẹ́ orúkọ mi. Nígbà tí mò ń kiri ṣé o lè jẹ́ orúkọ mi? Nígbà tí mo sì ń kiri ṣé o lè jẹ́ orúkọ mi? Ìgbà tí mò ń kiri ṣé o lè jẹ́ orúkọ mi? When I was still hawking, can you bear my name? When I was still hawking, can you bear my name? Àwa hawking mọ́ ní ìsìn o fẹ́ lé wa padà sóko. Ò ń jẹ́ orúkọ wa. Olè ní ẹwà máa ń sọ olè ní ẹ òjò orúkọ mi olè ní ẹ ìwọ kọ́ ló ń jẹ́ wòlíì àgbà lórí Facebook olè òṣì kí ló dé òjẹ lọ fọ́ọ̀mù tiẹ̀ o lè pèrè ní wòlíì ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ kò jẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ tiẹ̀ wòlíì ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ ẹbẹ̀rẹ̀ tiẹ̀ máa ṣe tiẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ o anáwọn ọ̀sẹ̀ fi ẹ̀ sẹ́ ẹlẹ́rìí bèbí ẹlẹ́rìí ọ̀sẹ̀ yọ̀gẹ́ ìyẹn mo fẹ́ kọjá ìyẹn kọ́ mo fẹ́ kọ gan. Kí ló dé gan-an? Well, it's frustrating me. They just called me now, told me that somebody is telling people that they should pay a lot of money in my name. In my name, you want to spoil my diamond name, my special name. Má yẹ kí n tó bọ̀ lẹ́nu mi tí bá sọ sí ẹ. Go and tell all your brothers and I don't know who they are. They should not impersonate me on Facebook again, no. Ẹ̀yin náà máa sàn kan fún yín ìgbà ẹnìkan máa pè lẹ́yìn atẹ́kẹ́ yìí sẹ́dá ṣe àwọn kan láwọn kó gùn bọ̀ lọ́fíìsì ó lè rìn mí ní kò ń sanwó. Mo tún ṣàlàyé fún yín pé if all that information when they pass it across now you people will not listen. If you love me go and follow my new page official IPM wòlíì àgbà òyìn ni mo mọ̀ ọ̀dọ̀ mi ló ń bọ̀ official IPM _IPM_ wòlíì àgbà ní Facebook go and follow that page. And stop bearing my name. If you continue to bear my name, I will send agent detective to you. That's all. And it's going to find you out. All the that you know say báyìí. Wọ́n ti wọ ẹ jáde nìyẹn. Kò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ wọ́n ti rí ẹ. Wọ́n ti rí ẹ báyìí. Màá lu. Can you imagine somebody dupe somebody? They wanted to contact me for birthday. Ó jẹ́ dupe wọn ní 200,000 naira. In my name. Èmi náà gbà ó lè òṣì ọlọ́mọ bá mi bí ẹ́ owó yẹn pọ̀ yé àwọn ń gbà wà núdó à ń pariwo à ń ké pata délé fún wa ń wà lánúdó ìwọ gbogbo wà wá dé fídíò wà kàn ìsáàtì ẹ̀ ó tọ́ nìyẹn wájú ọmọdé ńlá kó torí tiẹ̀ èsì jẹ́ ń fẹ́ torí ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọdé ńlá kó báyìí. Lórúkọ tí ìyàtọ̀ bàbá ẹ̀ sọ ẹ́ lẹ́nu kó yẹ jẹ́ orúkọ mi mọ́. Use your name. Leave my name on Facebook. I am telling you, my name is Ayọ̀bámi Ajẹ́wọlé. Orúkọ ògo mi ni wòlíì àgbà. Forúkọ ògo mi ilẹ̀ ìwọ náà lórúkọ ògo. Lọ́pẹ́lẹ́ ní wòlíì bẹ̀rẹ̀ àbí wòlíì bọ̀lì. Kó bẹ̀rẹ̀ tiẹ̀, kó wá délé kọ́sẹ́gbẹ́. Kó fi dára sí, kó fa àwọn akọrin sí kẹ́. Ìbáwọn kan rán rope tó ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. People are doing it now. Wọ́n kàn do your own. Jẹ́ kí ìyàtọ̀ máa jẹ́ kó jẹ́ náà. Ìyá ti jẹ mí náà, ó ti jẹ́ mí kọjá náà. Jẹ́ kí ìyàtọ̀ jẹ́ náà. Leave my name. Leave my name. I'm telling you, leave my name. Leave my name. Let me bear my name. Bear your name and bear my name. Ìtọ́jú àwọn burú jù ní pé some people they are using my name on Facebook and they will be uploading blue. Kí ni máa sọ fún Jehovah aláyé? Kí ni máa sọ fún Jésù mi o nígbà tó bá dé pé mo upload blue sórí péjì mi impersonator ọlọ́run ju ìrẹ̀yìn impersonator yìí. Ṣé ni màmá upload ẹ̀ tó kó tán sókè sórí Facebook? You're mad. Wòlíì don't say that. You're a prophet, but some people can frustrate you. Some people can frustrate you. Bear your name today. Ojú Olúwa jẹ́ ń wò ẹ́. Tó bá yá, kò ní wò ẹ́ nìkan mọ́, á máa lù ẹ́ ni. Ó dàbọ̀. Check my next official IPM Wòlíì Àgbà. Bye bye. Mo wà bí wàá ṣeré inú bí mi. Inú ló bí mi débi o. Mo jẹ̀ máa.